Oh my gosh. Barney's safe.
He lives to see another day. Snow White.
Snow White. Uh-oh.
Nope.
No way. Okay, that's 2. Let's see a real Barbie doll.
That's a baby doll.
Baby
not
doll.
a Barbie doll. He doesn't know where to go now.
Yeah, he's freaking out. Don't attack me! No! Why is it attacking me? Don't let your pets out with this. I know this is working okay.
Don't take the chance.
The cameras can't see when it turns beside it like that. What's it gonna do then when it can't see something? So we'll see if we get something to happen, but it's looking pretty good right now. That's awesome. It's 2 down. Slow down, good job.
Next victim?
Next victim. I'm gonna let him do this one again. See what he does. Ooh.
Got awful close.
That was so close. Okay.
Baby doll survives.
Baby doll lives. Put her in our pile. Next up.
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol.
I don't know what the character's name is.
Chase.
Okay.
I think it says Chase
Yeah.
on there. So let's see if Chase.
Just pretend this is your little dog outside.
Oh, it tricked me.
I think we've got him all confused.
Yeah, he's really mad. He tried chasing me down to run me over and it didn't work. All right, Paw Patrol survives.
And I'm super excited that none of these have gotten run over, because I'm going to save them.
Next up.
Penguin.
Does this look like Tim the Tatman's penguin?
It
Is that what he
does.
has? What's this called?
I don't even remember what the penguin's name is.
Wormies.
Oh,
You
that's
can
one
heat
of those
this up?
you heat up.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. And we got that at the Goodwill. So do you know how much those things are, really?
Really?
They're expensive.
Wow, we found a bargain. And we bought some of these and paid full price for.
Yeah, we went to Walmart.
We tried so hard to find a Tigger. Yeah, this is working good. Working really good. All right, there goes another one. Blue's Clues, or what's
Blue's Clues.
Bluey.
Bluey. You can tell that we don't have little kids. We don't know the cartoons.
Bluey. Oh! Oh! That was close.
Yeah.
That was close. That was way too close. That's all because it got moved over there. Well, if your dog's running in the yard. All right. Let's see about this lightsaber. I'm gonna try and get this. This is Penny's tail. Penny's tail. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
I think he's really worried he's gonna hit something again or something.
Wow. He's touching it.
Woo. Just about fell.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Dog's tail.
That's
Is
a
gone.
fail to me. That's a fail.
Or your cat's tail.
Now, I want to say this. People want this, somebody threw a handkerchief out. Well, I want this to mow leaves. Like, it's got to mow over stuff. People need to use their head and not get us in trouble with their tails getting caught in here and cut up. It's just not gonna, it does its smart detection, that's awesome. If something, a tree, a big branch falls, whatever, that's gonna be great. If you leave a toy out, you know, and it doesn't run over it, that's gonna be awesome. So, you can see how that's worked there. We got another stumper over there. You see, I bought that. I've put it in a low spot for a reason, because, you know, what if that's the situation? You know, you can say whatever you want. Oh, that ain't right, or when that thing turns, that camera's not over to the side of it. There's no way it can see when it turns. I mean, look how close it got to that. If that thing moves into the blade, so don't let your kids be around it. Don't let your pets be around. Nothing you want to get hurt around this thing. This has a mower blades on it, spinning at up to, well, it's supposed to be 6,000 RPM. We won't talk about that. It's up to 5,000 RPM. Metal blades. Be safe out there. Don't do stuff. I've seen too many people doing too much, you know. Just be safe. You're gonna get us all in trouble. And they're gonna get the software and they're gonna shut it off, where if it sees a leaf, then it's gonna turn around. Oh,
crap.
Spider-Man. If I had those blades set to 4 inches, that would have been toast. Wow. All right. What's he gonna do now? He's freaking out. He's leaving. He's like, I'm done. I've had enough of this. Wow. Oh. What was that? He's freaking out. He don't know what to do. All right. Let me try to do this one. See what we can get. Oh, he got him.
Mm-hmm. Poor moose.
Poor little moose. Look at he's broke. He broke his leg. I heard it got it right. Can't really see,
well,
but yeah.
oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, come over here and look at the scene of the crime. I think
he's a goner.
I think we gotta say goodbye. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Not the moose.
I was gonna let Penny play with that toy too.
Oh, Penny's not gonna get a toy. The moose is stuck under the track. I mean,
can we do CPR?
is this like Wizard of Oz with the Wicked Witch got under the house? Oh my goodness. So I'm telling you guys, this is gonna happen with, okay, I don't know. It's not stuck around
There's
the blades.
material right there. There's some like yarn.
Okay, I'm gonna lift this up. Can you pull him out? Oh, I can probably do both. Okay, I'm gonna push stop so we don't get. Here we go. Oh, you don't look bad.
No.
Looks like Penny can still play with him.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, look.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I can sew it. But at least it was that and not an actual animal.
Yes. We did this test. And to show you guys, be careful with yourself, your family, your friends. Don't try to show off this machine as, oh, it's got smart. I had a comment like that in my thing. And I should have.
You can see.
I should have told them, and I haven't in my videos. I know what this is capable of. They've got Teslas. They've made a fake road into a wall. Guess what it does? It runs right into it. This is just a camera system with some sensors on the side. It will run over stuff. I'm telling you. Be careful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
And we'll catch you in the next review.
Bye.
Bye. I am so glad you did not just fall.
I'm an athlete. I would never
not.
fall. Look at the, oh my gosh. We had so many successful ones, and then
I'm just glad Barney didn't get chewed up.
that was one of my top picks that I wanted to get chewed up. Why? Do you love Barney?
Well, we're gonna have a grandchild, and I wanted her to have Barney.
Oh, so I would have bought her a Barney.
I'm thinking ahead.
I mean, this is all for, this is just for show. Look at this little Spider-Man.
Or we're gonna have a grandchild.
I wish we could have got Tigger.
Yeah.
That would have been freaking so awesome. Now, that's life. You don't always get what you want.
Except you do get a Lymow.
You do get a Lymow.